Good morning, kids. How are you all? Welcome to today's English class. Our today's letter is B. And today's date is 11/8/2020. And the day is Tuesday. Before we start with the letter B, let's have a recapitulation. First, let's write the letter L. First, a standing line and then a sleeping line. And the next letter is T. First, a small sleeping line and then a standing line. And the next letter is I. First, a standing line, then two sleeping lines. One on the red line and the other sleeping line on the third line. And the next letter is H. One standing line, two standing line and a sleeping line on the second line. And the next letter is F. First one standing line and two sleeping lines. And next is E. First a standing line and three sleeping lines. And next letter is V. First a slant line come down and a slant line go up. And the next letter is W. How to write W? Slant line come down, go up, right V and one more V. W. Next letter is X. A left slant line and then a right slant line. And the next letter is Y. A slant line, one more slant line, then one standing line. And the next letter is K. First a standing line, then two slant lines. And the next letter is N. First a standing line, then a slant line, then again a standing line. And now the next letter is M. First a standing line, then a slant line come down, go up, then again a standing line. And our next letter is A. First a slant line, one more slant line and a small sleeping line on the second line. And now the next letter is Z. First a sleeping line, then a slant line and then again a sleeping line. And next is C. Keep the pencil just below the red line, a curve, come down, touch the third line and stop. And the next letter is G. Keep the pencil just below the red line, a curve, come down, touch the third line, go up, then a small sleeping line and a standing line. And next letter is O. Keep the pencil just below the red line, a curve, come down, touch the third line, go up, 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 up and join. And next letter is Q. Keep the pencil just below the red line, form a curve, touch the third line, go up and join. Letter O, after that a small slant line. And the next letter is D. First a standing line and then a curve from the red line to the third line. And the next letter is P. First a standing line and a small curve from the red line to the second line. Now, let's come back to the letter B. I will be telling you the story with letter B. Once upon a time, there was a boy who went to the beach with his ball. On the beach, there was a boat. After some time, the boy was very tired of playing. So, he went and sat on the bench. There, he saw a big bug and he was very scared. So, he sat on his bicycle and went home. Dear children, in this story, there are many words which had sound of B. Let us have a look at these words. Sing along with me. B says B, 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 boy. B says B, 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 beach. B says B, 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 ball. B says bench. B says bug. B says bicycle. Like this, there are many other words that starts with the letter B, like bus. B is for bus. B is for bird. B is for baby. B is for butterfly. B is for balloon. Now let's learn how to write the letter B. First draw a standing line. Stop at the third line. Then a right curve from the red line to the second line, and one more right curve from second line to the third line. Let's write once again. First draw a standing line. Stop at the third line. Then two right curves. First start from the red line to the second line. Letter P. First write the letter P. Then one more right curve from the second line to the third line. Now let's write once again. First draw a standing line. Then two right curves from the red line to the second line and from the second line to the third line. Here's the letter B, and here I have some buttons with me. With the help of this button, let's form the letter B. Okay? We have formed a standing line. Now, two right curves. First, one right curve. Yes, two right curves, standing line and two right curve, letter B. Now, let's write B in our English workbook, page number 6, 7 and 8. In page number 6, let's write the date 11.8.2020. Then let's trace this B. First a standing line, one right curve and two right curve. After that, you can color it neatly. Then let's trace B in this page and then write B in this page. How to write B? First draw a standing line. Start from the red line to the third line. First a standing line, then two right curves from the red line to the second line and one more curve from second line to the third line, B. First a standing line, stop at the third line. Then two right curves. First curve from first line to the second line and a second curve from second line to the third line. Complete this page. After that, in page number 8, color the bubbles which has letter B. You have to color the bubbles only which has a letter B. Is this the letter B? No. So, don't color this. Is this the letter B? No. So, do not color this. Is this the letter B? Yes. Now, color it neatly. So, color it like this. Then, is this the letter B? Yes. So, color this B too. Okay. Color it neatly. Color this B. Is the letter B? No. So, do not color it. Is this the letter B? No. Is this B? Yes. So, color this. Okay. Color this. And is this the letter B? Yes. So, color this B. And lastly, is this the letter B? Yes. So, color this B too. Okay. So, now we have colored all the bubbles in which the letter B has been written on it. Okay. And here are few more pictures that starts with the letter B. B for boat, B for banana, B for bag, B for book and B for bird. Okay children, write neatly. Take care. Bye.